ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಯ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, 30%. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಸೀ ಕೌ, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, niche specialization and greater species diversity. Fourth question, option C is the right answer, gaseous SO2. Fifth question, option B is the right answer. Sixth question, option D is the right answer, Ectocarpus. Seventh question, option D is the right answer, Ctenophora. Eighth question, option C is the right answer, bisexual. Ninth question, option D is the right answer, bronchioles. 10th question, option B is the right answer. It is membrane bound and contains water and excretory substances. 11th question, option B is the right answer, chitin. 12th question, option A is the right answer, pakitin. 13th question, option C is the right answer, 0. 14th question, option B is the right answer. 15th question, option A is the right answer, acetyl-CoA. 16th question, option D is the right answer, bolting. 17th question, option A is the right answer, accumulation of urea in blood. 18th question, option C is the right answer, closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valves followed by semilunar valves. 19th question, option A is the right answer, portion of myofibril between two successive Z lines. 20th question, option D is the right answer. 21st question, option C is the right answer, buds. 22nd question, option B is the right answer, heterogametes. Question number 23, option C is the right answer, guide the entry of pollen tube. Question number 24, option D is the right answer, geitonogamy. Question number 25, option A is the right answer. Question number 26, option D is the right answer, LH. Question number 27, option B is the right answer, glandular rear. Question number 28, option B is the right answer, 4:1. Question number 29, option C is the right answer, 1971. Question number 30, option B is the right answer, vasectomy. Question number 31, option A is the right answer, a cross between F2 tall plant and recessive parent. Question number 32, option B is the right answer, 1:2:1. Question number 33, option C is the right answer, individuals affected by Down syndrome will have congenital heart defect and are more intelligent. Question number 34, option B is the right answer, 3:1. Question number 35, option B is the right answer, R only. Question number 36, option A is the right answer, anticodon loop of tRNA. Question number 37, option C is the right answer, at both 3' end and 5' end beyond terminator codon before AUG respectively. Question number 38, option C is the right answer. Question number 39, option A is the right answer. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 40, option D is the right answer, amino acids. Question number 41, option A is the right answer, Dryopithecus. Question number 42, option A is the right answer, memory. Question number 43, option C is the right answer, reverse transcriptase. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್. ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟೇಸ್. Question number 44. Option A is the right answer. Question number 45. Option C is the right answer. Interspecific hybridization. Question number 46. Option C is the right answer. Black rot of crucifers. Question number 47. Option B is the right answer. Question number 48. Option D is the right answer. Antibiotics. Question number 49. Option D is the right answer. Activated sludge in sediment tanks is a rich source of aerobic bacteria. Question number 50. Option B is the right answer. Endonuclease. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಲ್ಲ. B is the right answer. Question number 51. Option D is the right answer. Thermostable. Question number 52. Option B is the right answer. Non-transformants will die and transformants will grow. Question number 53. Option B is the right answer. ELISA. Question number 54. Option C is the right answer. Human protein alpha antitrypsin. Question number 55. Option A is the right answer. Maintain a constant internal environment in an ever-changing external environment. Question number 56. Option B is the right answer. Absence of adhesive organs or suckers. Question number 57. Option C is the right answer. Question number 58. Option A is the right answer. 170 billion tons. Question number 59. Option A is the right answer. Rocks. Question number 60. Option B is the right answer. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.